President Museveni has re-echoed his words towards court giving bails to suspects, and according to President Museveni, some people do not deserve to be given bails because of the nature of the offences they committed. He also cited several examples where the suspects or culprits are responded to, as he in the same manner promised to take the campaign in the political arena.
But now, in no time, we are now being told that bail is a right. Right? Really? Somebody has killed a person and you see him walking here. This is a provocation, I can tell you. This is a provocation. We cannot accept it. And the CJ made it very clear that that's why people are taking the law in their own hands. This bail is a big provocation. We are going to address it. Also, politically, constitutionally, we are going to mobilize ourselves. I'm glad the CJ has, because it will cause us problems. It will discredit the whole system, the government, the political side, but also the judiciary. Is this issue of maximum sentence, life imprisonment. Life imprisonment. But you killed a person. You are not put in jail for life. The one you killed is not in jail. He is dead. So for us, it is an eye for an eye. The question of commuting the death sentence, that can come later, but it must be a life for a life.
Uganda's Chief Justice Alphonse Owiny-Dollo has responded to President Museveni's opinion on not granting bail to some suspects.
So in the exercise of judicial discretion to grant bail, it is the duty of a judicial officer to look at all these circumstances and boldly, without fear or favor, make the decision whether to grant or not to grant. For me, as head of the judiciary, I would like to see judicial officers taking into account these considerations and noting them down, so that there is no doubt as to what could have moved a particular judicial officer to grant bail or to exercise discretion in other circumstances where the law permits the exercise of discretion.
President Museveni also sent a message to those who commit crimes.
Remember in Chiwanuka, we are condemning Idi Amin and all those that were with him. So this is a good lesson for the people who may have authority to know that sooner or later you will be accountable for bad things or good things.
The Chief Justice further commented on the corruption and case backlog in the judiciary.
In this country, the corrupt are heroes. They are adored. Those who live righteously are scorned because they have nothing. So it will take more than just the judiciary to fight corruption in this country. It is certainly very painful that any one judicial officer can even contemplate trading justice like a commodity.
Two of Uganda's former Chief Justices, Bart M. Katurebe and Benjamin Odoki, have been awarded the Benedicto Chiwanuka Award and have in return appreciated the initiative.
We delay to deliver judgments. We are violating the rights of others. I pledge to keep interested in the matters of administration and delivery of justice in a private capacity. I will be dealing with matters of finding alternative ways of resolving disputes in a private capacity, and I believe that will be complementing what we are doing in the judiciary.
He died in defense of the independence of the judiciary, the rule of law, and the protection of human rights, which are essential for the promotion of constitutionalism democracy, and good governance. Those of us who accepted to serve as Chief Justice hoped to advance his judicial legacy.
On the same occasion, the president launched a book titled Administration and Delivery of Justice in Uganda Through the Years, and lawyer Chirunda hinted on some of the briefs in the book.
Provides insights on perspectives on unique questions of law. His speech in Ottawa in 1995 provides an astute summary of how to incorporate tribal and customary law in adjudication of cases. Recent decisions, such as one by Justice Sekana on Buganda culture, and the recent decision resolving Kanyamunyu versus Uganda, show us that these issues will always be with us.
This was at the 4th memorial lecture of Benedicto Kiwanuka, who was killed in 1972, and the event has been held at the High Court of Uganda, where the president unveiled the Benedicto Kiwanuka monument that was made in his honor. This story has been compiled by Issa Chigongo for Channel 44 Prime News.